I'm going to show you how to log in with SurveyMonkey. You can sign up for free here. I already have an account, so I'm going to show you how I log in. There's an option to log in with Google, Facebook, Office 365, or LinkedIn. I have an account with Google, so if I click on this, it will ask me which account I want to log in with. So I will click on my UO Alberta account, and it will take me to my dashboard. So once you log in, if you chose a free account but you want to change your mind and you would like to unlock some more features, you can click the plans and pricing section. It will tell you what different plan offers and the price for that. There's a list of everything here. There's also team plans. So there's individual plans and team plans. They're slightly different, and they will explain that under each one. It tells you how many users can use the team plan, whereas this one is just for one user. If you go back to your dashboard, it will show you your recent surveys that you've worked with. You can also go under My Surveys and it will show you that same information. Here you can click Create a Survey, and when you click that, it will ask you if you would like to start from scratch or if you'd like to copy an existing survey. If you're new to SurveyMonkey and you're not sure how to create a survey, you can search the templates and surveys that are already existing on the website, and you can work with those. However, if you want to start from scratch, you can click this button, name your survey, select your category. When you click Create Survey, it will ask you to input all your questions. This tool is excellent for professional development, especially if you're trying to generate a consensus at work. It will, you can send this survey through email, and then everyone can answer it, and then it'll generate all the data and present it in a nice, easy way. So it saves time on a collaboration in person as you're able to do it online. This also helps students when they're trying to review their work in different subject areas.